A recent report by the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, or FICCI, along with Quest Corp, reveals a startling disparity. Between 2019 and 2023, corporate profits have surged fourfold. Yes, but here's the catch: workers' salaries have barely moved. And this is no small matter. Stagnant wages are slowing down private consumption, which happens to be a major driver of economic growth. Let's break it down by sector. Engineering, manufacturing, and infrastructure sectors saw annual wage growth of just 0.8%, the lowest. FMCG wages rose by 5.4%, but inflation wiped out most of that gain. And here are the numbers for other sectors. Banking and finance at 2.8%, retail 3.7%, IT 4%, and logistics 4.2%. And guess what? Retail inflation during this period ranged from 4.8 to 6.7%, leaving workers with little to no real income growth. So why does this matter? Well, lower incomes, especially in urban areas, are significantly impacting spending power, delaying India's full economic recovery. Experts are also linking this to low labor productivity and job quality. And what's being done about it? Chief Economic Advisor Anantha Nageswaran has called for a better balance between corporate profits and worker wages. He's warned that without addressing this gap, corporate demand may eventually falter. Looking ahead, analysts believe solutions lie in job creation and formalizing the workforce. Sectors like textiles and tourism could play a big role here, but there's still an urban-rural divide to tackle. So while companies are celebrating record profits, workers are left waiting for meaningful wage growth. The question now is, will policymakers and businesses step up to bridge this gap? Stay tuned for more updates on this story.